Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you motion tracking in Blender. Let's get started. First open Blender and go to File, New, change to VFX and click Open. Select your video footage. Done. My video footage frame rate 13 and go to Output Properties and frame rate change to 13 and go to Render Properties, scroll down, Color Management, Filmic, change to Standard and click Normalize and click Set Scene Frame and click Prefetch. Load your footage and go to first frame, zoom in and control left mouse is scale, alt S, very good, and track forward, press L, track forward and select track and one frame go back and it's scale, track forward. Done. Go to first frame, control left mouse is scale, track forward. Done. Go to second frame and control left mouse and track forward, one frame go back and it's scale, track forward. Done. Go to first frame and control left mouse is the scale and track forward and one frame go back and it's the scale, track forward. Again one frame go back is scale, track forward. Again one frame go back is scale, track forward. Again one frame go back, scale down, track forward. Repeat same process for every one. Done. And go to first frame, add one more track for this and it's to scale, track forward. Done. Very good. Tracking scene is good and go to solve and check the focal length, check this and solve camera motion. The error is high and go to clean up, filter tracks and filter delete 3 tracks and X to delete. Again solve camera motion, the error is not good and click filter tracks and X to delete. Again solve camera motion, the solve error is good and scroll down, set up tracking scene, this error is not good, this error is not good and go to track, camera, lens, focal length, type 100, perfect, and select camera, go to camera properties, opacity 12, very good, and select this one track and orientation and set origin and select this track and set scale down, very good, and select 3 tracks for floor and select this or select this and click floor, very good, and select one tracks for set axis x-axis or y-axis and select this, set y-axis and select this, so set y-axis. Yep. Very good. And control space and again press space, play animation. Very good tracking in Blender. Very good. Done. Tracking process and click plus icon, go to general, add layout. Very good. And go to camera view and select plane, drag to foreground collision and background collision in X to delete, and select plane object and press Z to render it. Go to render properties, EV, change to cycle, CPU, change to GPU, and go to world properties and click color, add environment texture, click open, add HDRI, very good, and go to render engine, render properties and scroll down, film, check transparent, very good, the shadow is very good, and select cube object and X to delete, shift A, add in a monkey, Z, press 1, auto rotate Z axis, and go to word properties, strength, I type 5, delete test light, X to delete, the shadow is perfect, strength very high and I type 0.4, very good, and click plus icon, general, change to shading, rotate HDRI shadow and press Z, go to render it, object change to word and select HDRI, press Ctrl T, the add-on checked in preferences, go to preferences, add-on, search, node, check this, node wrangler, save and close, and Z-axis, very good, and go to layout, select monkey and GY, GX, and shift A, add torus, GZ, move up and GY, very good, very good tracking in Blender. Very good. Very good. And thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye.